Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the Devops Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Kodekloud engineer task. I am here on my Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/login. Hit enter. I directly got this task UI because I auto save my password. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Today we will see how to configure Jenkins job for package installation. Let me click on the start button. It is loading. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I am skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First let me read what the task is, then we will look at the solution. Some new requirements have come up to install and configure some packages on the Nautilus infrastructure under Stratos data center. The Nautilus Devops team installed and configured a new Jenkins server, so they wanted to create a Jenkins job to automate this task. Find below more details and complete the task accordingly. Number 1. Access the Jenkins UI by accessing on the Jenkins button in the top bar. Login using the credentials, username, admin and password. So here is the one. Click on this Jenkins button. It will load. Meanwhile, let me complete the task reading. Let me complete reading the task. Create a new Jenkins job named install packages and configure it with the following specifications. Add a string parameter named package. Configure the job to install a package specifying in the $package parameter on the storage server within the Stratos data center. Note: ensure to install any required plugins and restart the Jenkins service if necessary. Opt for restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. On the plugin installation or update page, refresh the UI page if needed after restarting the service. Number 2. Verify that the Jenkins job runs successfully and repeated execution to ensure reliability. Capture screenshots of your configuration for documentation and review purposes. Alternatively, use screen recording software like loom.com for comprehensive documentation and sharing. Actually, they are asking us to log into Jenkins server with the username and password that they have given, and then create a new job with the name install-package with some specifications to that job. Okay, now let me log into Jenkins server first. Admin is the username and password is this one. Click on sign in. Okay, we got our Jenkins UI. Meanwhile, here click on details of all users and servers. Why I am clicking on it is because I need storage server credentials. See here, we need to run the job on the storage server, not on the Jenkins server. Okay, this is the Jenkins server. We should not run job on this server, so we will run it, but execution should happen in the storage server. Whatever the changes we are creating here, it should reflect in the storage server, not in the Jenkins server. Okay, so what I will do is I will log into Jenkins source storage server. I will log into storage server. SSH Natasha is the username. @ststwar01 is the server name. Type yes, place the password, hit enter. Okay, fine. Now let me go to Jenkins server. Click on manage Jenkins. See what we are trying to do. We from the Jenkins server we are trying to execute that job on the storage server, correct? For that we need to have a SSH connection. Let's verify SSH plugin is enabled or not. Click on install plugins, type SSH. No, it is not there, so we need to install plugin named SSH. Yes, we need to install this plugin and SSH credentials and build agents. These three plugins we have to install. Click on install here, let it complete. Now let me click on restart Jenkins. It is Jenkins server is restarting. Okay, Jenkins server is restarted. Let me log in again with the same credentials that they have given. Click on sign in. Okay, now click on manage Jenkins again. Come here, we need to provide the credentials, so click on credentials. Here click on system, then here click on global credentials, click on add credentials here or here adding some credentials, whatever it is fine. Click on add credentials, click on username with password. In our case we are having password, right? So we are clicking on it. Username is Natasha and this is the password. Name is Natasha, password, ID, let me type it as storage. Click on create. Okay, now go back, click on manage Jenkins again. Now we need to add the storage server as a remote host. For that, let me click on the system button, come down. Here you see SSH remote host. Click on add host name. Under host name we need to give this name. Copy. As we all aware, it should not have any spaces. As we all aware, by default SSH runs on port 22. Click on type 22 and then select Natasha in the drop down. Okay, let me click on check connection. Yes, we are having successful SSH connection with the storage server from the Jenkins server. Now click on save. Now let's create a job. Click on create job and they have specified some name for the job, right? So we need to select this, copy, paste it here, select a freestyle project, click on OK. Now the project is parameterized. See here they are asking us to configure the job to install package specified in the package parameter. So we need to make it as a parameter and then select string parameter, copy the name, string parameter name they have specified, copy, here we need to type package install name. We can replace the name later. This is what we have to do here, and then come bottom in the build step, select execute shell script on remote host using SSH. By default it will take the SSH site because we auto saved there, and then here we need to type echo and our password. I will tell you what I'm doing here. First copy this name, paste it here, sudo -s y install -y dollar package. See here, first let me try to install one package here, sudo yum install -y, let's say httpd, hit enter. You see it is asking for the Natasha user's password. In order to complete the installation of any package, we need to give the Natasha user password. Hit enter. Now it is going to install. Now httpd -version. Okay, same way let me check Nginx is installed on our server or not. Nginx -version, it is not installed. You see Nginx command not found. If we do manually, it is asking us to give the password. So here we are doing in Jenkins, we are automating the job, right? That is the reason I am giving the echo password of the storage server, and sudo -s, capital S I am giving here because -s stands for whatever the standard input. Here we are giving input, right? This can be taken as a input for this command, and then -y dollar package. So string parameter we have given, right? Whatever the name we are given for the parameter, that would be picked up automatically here. That is what this command will do. In short, we are giving the password, and this password will be used as a input for this command. Okay, now click on save. Now here click on build with parameter. Here instead of this, let me remove this all things, and the package name I need to give, right? Here I will type Nginx. Click on build. The job is running. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go back to our terminal. Let's check same command. Hit enter. You see it is installed successfully. This is how we can automate package installation by creating a job in Jenkins. Okay, now let's click on check button here to verify our work. Click on confirm. System is evaluating our task. Yes, it is completed. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with another task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Please let me know in the comment section in case of you are having any queries related to Kodekloud tasks or any DevOps tool. Thank you.